Here I have myPhone Prime 2 and let me show you how to use battery saver mode on the following device. So at the very beginning let me show you how to quickly switch on battery saver. Let's just unlock the screen, use the upper bar twice. Here let's tap on battery icon right here. As you can see, you've got the battery usage, and you can also enable battery saver by using this switcher. So right now you are using the battery saver, but you can also disable this mode with the same switcher. Let's tap done. Now let me show you how to find the battery saver and the battery settings on the following device. Let's tap apps icon. Here you have to scroll down in order to open the settings. Then scroll down again and under device let's tap on battery. Here you've got more settings connected with your battery. For example, you can show the battery percentage right here. You can disable it. And you can also choose the battery saver right here. And here you can switch on battery saver as well. And you can also read about this mode. So, to help improve battery life, battery saver reduces your device's performance and limits vibrations and other stuff. If you would like to use battery saver automatically, let's choose turn on automatically. And for example, you can choose 5% off or 15%. So, if you have 15% of the battery, your device will switch to the battery saver mode. So that's it, let's go back and let's use your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.